Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows Server VPS using Veeam Agent for Microsoft. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Windows Server VPS using Veeam Agent for Microsoft, first, ensure you have Veeam Agent installed on your server. If you haven't installed it yet, download the latest version from the Veeam website. Once downloaded, run the installation file and follow the prompts to set it up on your server. After installation, launch the Veeam Agent application. You will see the main dashboard with several options. Click on the backup option to start the backup configuration process. Next, choose Backup Job to create a new backup job. Provide a name for your backup job in the designated field. Select the virtual machine or volume you want to backup by clicking on Add. In the new window, choose the source you want to backup from. Once selected, click on OK to confirm your choice. Now, proceed to configure the backup destination. Select where you want to store the backup files, such as a local disk or a shared folder. If you choose a shared folder, make sure you have the proper network credentials and permissions to access it. Once you've selected your backup location, click Next. You can now set up the backup schedule. Choose how often you want the backup to run, such as daily, weekly, or manually. Select your preferred time and days for the backup to occur. After scheduling, proceed by clicking Next. In the next window, you can configure advanced settings if necessary. You can enable application-aware processing if you are backing up applications like SQL or Exchange. Review the settings you have configured so far. If everything looks good, click on Finish to create the backup job. The new backup job will now appear in the main dashboard. To initiate your first backup, select the job and click on Start. Monitor the progress in the job history window. Once the job is completed, you will receive a notification indicating its success. Finally, ensure to check the backup settings periodically to maintain your backup strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.